What's going on, guys? Steelers in a Block back again in the garage with the OBS, and we are getting ready to wrap up the rest of the story. So as you guys know, I have some health issues, so some of this footage is not available. Sorry about that, but this is where we're at. The truck is almost done. Waiting on my front trim to come in for the bumper and for the rear bumper. And we're getting ready to put on these moldings. As you can see, I have my tape here. We're refinishing masking tape. You definitely want to use a good quality tape on whatever you're doing, because if you use crappy tape or cheap tape, it can fall off and make a mess. So basically what I did, I think this is a 1/2 inch tape, if I'm not mistaken, 1/2 inch or 5/8. And it basically fits right down here below the factory trim. And as you see, that line's not straight. Sure isn't. It's straight on the door, but it's not straight on the body. I'll have to drop that line down. Glad I'm looking at this one more time. So you drop this right to the bottom, and here's where your trim's going to sit at, and that line should go straight across. I'm going to have to drop this one down a little bit, and all the way down the body like so, all the way to the back and all the way through there. So let me make an adjustment on this line. I'm going to straighten my tape up, and then we'll get our trim and put it on. So this trim kit is from MVP Moldings, which they have the OEM style high quality replacement trim for your vehicle. Definitely appreciate Pablo hooking me up with these. Now these kits are very nice. I actually added this tape in there from another kit, but anyway, double-sided tape all the way around. Every part is numbered. As you can see, there's a number down there, and they're all numbered on this diagram, which makes it really easy to do. So there's no oopsies or anything like that. So that is a very cool part. All numbered, easy to install, nice packaging, nice shipping. Their kits can come with Silverado or the Sierra badges. And also, if you've got to have the bow ties or the GMC logo, there you go. So this is my recommendation if you want it to look like it did from the factory. Of course, you can choose to go other routes, but this guy has really good quality stuff, and I've been very happy with his products. So I just wanted to give him a shout out. So there's information there. If you're interested, you can get your molding kit there for your OBS truck. And put the time lapse rolling, and we're gonna go ahead and get this stuff installed. All right, I put something down here on the floor to protect the molding when I go to put it on. Got my parts laid out. This is 1, 2, 3 is that small one, 4 and 5. Looking down the side of the truck, this will be 1, 2 on the door, 3 is the back portion of the cab, 4 here, and then 5 is all the way down here at the end. And as you can see, I've got my work light set up. So just to give you guys an idea on the setup, I'm gonna go ahead and get started placing these on the truck. Alright, there you guys have it. There is the trim kit from VP Moldings. Sure, I got all the pieces on there, and it's pre-cut. The lines are very precise. You can see everything's pre-cut there on the truck. Mounts up really nice. Got the 1500 badges on there. They look really good. So definitely a nice kit. It's MVP Moldings. Here's their information. This is not a sponsored video, but I did tell them that I would definitely give them a shout out because they've got great products. And Pablo, thank you very much for taking care of getting this truck back to what it needs to be. We're almost done with this one. Now, if you're wondering why I didn't put the bumper moldings on, that was personal preference by the owner. He wanted the ones that bolt through instead of the stick-ons. That's why these bumpers have the slots in them. The kit does come with those for the front and rear bumper. It'll be number 11 here and number 12 and 13 for the rear. But since we're not using them on this truck, they'll stay in the box and go on another truck. Maybe the shop truck, I don't know. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. My name's Erwin. This is The Rules in the Block. We're giving back. The time is taken away. We'll see you soon.